In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a black profile on Steam. We'll walk through everything you need to create that clean, fully black look across your Steam profile, using the desktop app for the smoothest, most reliable experience. Start by opening the Steam desktop app and signing in. The desktop version gives you full control over profile customization and makes it easier to find the settings you'll need. Once you're in, head to the Steam store and purchase the game titled Waveshaper. This specific game is key because it offers a black profile background that ties the whole aesthetic together. After you've purchased it, play Waveshaper for at least 2 hours. That playtime unlocks the black profile background associated with the game. Make sure your time is counted in-game so Steam registers it properly. Once that background is available, it will appear in your Steam inventory and in your profile customization options. If you'd rather not wait after purchasing the game, you can buy the black background directly from the Steam Community Market. In the app, go to Community, then Market, and search for the Waveshaper black background. Purchasing it there gives you immediate access so you can customize right away. Now apply the look. Go to your profile, click View My Profile, then Edit Profile. In the background section, select the Waveshaper black background to set the tone. While you're there, choose the black themed Waveshaper game profile to extend that dark aesthetic across headers and accents. Take a moment to preview before saving, making sure the text remains readable and the visuals are cohesive. To complete the style, choose an avatar with black edges. A dark bordered avatar blends seamlessly into the background and keeps the focus on the sleek, minimalist look. You can pick an existing avatar or upload one that has a strong black outline so it complements the theme instead of clashing with it. When you're done, review your profile to confirm everything looks unified, the Waveshaper black background applied, the black themed game profile active, and your avatar tying it all together. The result is a striking, fully black Steam profile that stands out while staying clean and easy to read. If anything looks off, return to Edit Profile and fine-tune until you're happy. That's all it takes to achieve the black profile aesthetic on Steam using Waveshaper. Enjoy the new look and thanks for watching.